everyone and a very warm welcome. We are now about to begin India's first legal awards, the Legal Era Awards, recognition of legal finesse and accomplishment. To take our mission forward today, we felicitate the gems of our legal system for their matchless diligence and agility. These law firms and professionals have set landmarks in the legal industry for their in-depth knowledge, management skills, and strategies. It was a tough decision for a jury to select the winner. We would also like to thank all our jury members for their time and commitment they showed, sharing their expertise. Thank you.
To honor the gems of the legal world, we welcome all of you to the first ever Legal Era Awards 2011-2012. To present this category awards, firstly I'd like to invite on stage Mr. M.M. Joshi, Head Legal, Air India. To join Mr. M.M. Joshi on stage, I'd like to invite Mr. Kumar Das, Head Legal, Vodafone, and Sujit Jain, General Counsel, Viacom TV18, to kindly come forward and present this category of awards. Well, the first category would be the Best Law Firm for IT and TMT of the Year. So let's quickly take a look at the nominations.
Award of this year goes to Kochhar & Company.
Congratulations. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. We now very quickly proceed to the next category, and to present this set of awards, I'd like to welcome Rajiv Oberoi, General Counsel, IDFC. Well, this category of award is for the Best Real Estate and Construction Law Firm of the Year. So let's take a look at the nominees.
Award goes to Jesus Law Associates.
We now proceed to the next category of awards, which is the Best Banking and Finance Law of the Year. So let's take a look at the nominees very quickly.
The award goes to SNG and Partners.
Congratulations, sir. And now to present the next set of awards, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Stephen Matthias, Partner, Kochhar & Company, and Mr. B. Gopal Krishnan, Head Legal, Axis Bank. The category that we're talking about is the Best Litigation and Arbitration Law Firm of the Year. And the nominees, please. It's time to hear out the winner.
We have a joint winner, Karanjiwal and Company and Juris Corp.
Thank you very much, sir, again for doing the honors. It's now time to proceed to the next category, and to present the awards in this category, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Ashok Chabra, Executive Director, PNG, and Rajiv Wagle, Group CFO, UTV Software Communications Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we now proceed to the next category, which is the Competition and Antitrust Law Firm of the Year. And the nominations, please.
Hey guys, we have two winners here. I announce J. Sagar and Associates.
And the other is Amarchand Mangaldas.
Congratulations once again, and thank you, sir, for doing the honors. We now proceed to the next category, which is the Project Finance In-House Team of the Year. To present this set of awards, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rajesh Narain Gupta, Managing Partner, SNG and Partners. Let's take a look at the nominations, please.
The winner to this award is IDFC.
Congratulations once again. The next category is the IT and Telecommunication In-House Team of the Year. And let's take a look at the nominations.
The winner here is Bharti Airtel as well as Vodafone.
Congratulations there, and thank you, sir, for doing the honors. We now proceed to the next category of awards, and to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rohit Tandon, MD, ZS Law Firm, and Mr. Rabindra, the Senior Partner, Khaitan and Company. It's now time to take a look at the nominations in this category.
Winner is Standard Chartered.
Congratulations, Standard Chartered. And now it's time to proceed to the category that's the Indian Investment Bank In-House Team of the Year. And let's take a quick look at the nominations, please.
The winner is Avendus Capital.
Congratulations once again, and thank you, sir, for doing the honors.